Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're digging into the source material on the future of logistics.
Right.
And it's not just about getting packages delivered quicker. We're looking at how artificial intelligence, AI, is fundamentally reshaping, well, everything, the whole global trade backbone.
It really is. It has to, doesn't it? With consumer expectations just going through the roof of these tight delivery windows.
Exactly. So AI's role here, it's more than just fancy software.
Oh, definitely. We're talking machine learning, predictive analytics. These systems learn from just immense amounts of data,
Yeah.
billions of data points.
And then turn that learning into what? Actionable insights.
Precisely. Telling you where a truck needs to go, what stock you'll need in a warehouse, maybe even before you know you need it. It's about making smarter, data-driven decisions.
Okay, so let's break that down. The sources point to real-time optimization as a big one. Route planning.
Yeah, that's often the first place companies see a benefit. Forget static routes.
Right. The old way. Printouts and maybe some traffic updates.
AI looks at everything, constantly. Live traffic, sure, but also weather forecasts, specific delivery time promises, even the capacity of the truck itself. It's juggling all that in real time.
And the payoff is big.
Huge. Look at UPS's Orion system. That's on-road integrated optimization and navigation. It's planning millions of routes every single day.
Right.
And get this, it's not just about the shortest distance. It actively minimizes things like left turns across traffic, which are inefficient and riskier.
Huh. Never thought about that.
Yeah. The result, they save millions of miles driven each year. That's massive fuel savings, a big reduction in their carbon footprint. It hits efficiency and sustainability.
Makes sense. So that's optimizing the moving part. What about the having the right stuff part? Inventory and forecasting. That seems like a nightmare with market swings and seasons.
It was more of a nightmare. AI tackles this differently. It goes beyond just looking at last year's sales. It uses more sophisticated models, analyzing historical data, yes, but also layering in current market trends, maybe competitor promotions, even things like, believe it or not, social media sentiment.
Social media to predict stock needs.
Yeah, if there's a sudden buzz about a product in a specific region, the AI can flag a potential demand spike that old methods would miss entirely. It's about finding those non-obvious signals.
So it's about precision forecasting, really.
Exactly. And companies like Walmart are using this kind of AI analysis pretty heavily. They adjust inventory proactively.
Which means fewer out-of-stock signs.
Fewer stockouts, definitely. But also less overstock sitting around gathering dust. Both of those are expensive, so it cuts holding costs, cuts waste.
Okay, routing, inventory. What about the warehouses themselves and the trucks?
Right, the physical infrastructure. Amazon's warehouses are kind of the classic example here. AI isn't just telling the robots where to go.
It's doing more.
It's constantly simulating different layouts for the whole warehouse, testing millions of possibilities to figure out the absolute optimal way to store things, to minimize retrieval time for picking and packing.
Wow. And maintenance, like for the delivery fleet.
Yeah, predictive maintenance, that's crucial. An unexpected breakdown can just derail everything.
So AI can predict when a truck might break down.
Essentially, yes. Companies like DHL use sensors that feed performance data into AI models. It's not just looking for obvious red flags like overheating, it's analyzing subtle patterns, signatures that often precede a failure.
So they can schedule maintenance before something actually breaks.
Exactly. Prevents that costly downtime, keeps the fleet reliable, deliveries on schedule, much higher reliability.
So putting this all together, the sources seem pretty clear. Adopting AI isn't really optional anymore if you want to compete, is it?
No, it's becoming table stakes.
Yeah.
Essential for survival, really. But it's not easy. Integration is a major hurdle.
Right, you can't just flip a switch,
Hmm.
especially with older systems.
You need good data, first and foremost. Clean, high-quality data. And you often need to break down silos between different parts of the business.
Is that happening? Are established players making the leap?
They are. We see companies like SMA Worldwide mentioned. They're actively planning now to integrate AI more deeply into their logistics operations. They recognize it's basically mandatory for future growth and efficiency. It's about moving past those legacy constraints.
So, to sum up for you listening, the impact is broad. Maersk uses AI in ports, FedEx for tracking, Ocado in automated grocery fulfillment.
Right. The advice seems to be start somewhere manageable, maybe route optimization, like we discussed. Focus on getting your data quality right. Maybe partner with experts.
Okay, so the future of logistics is intelligent, automated, data-heavy, and maybe more sustainable.
Definitely playing a bigger role in sustainability, yes. And these systems will only get smarter, predicting customer needs even better, reacting to disruptions faster.
Which leads to our final thought for you. AI is learning to predict traffic jams, demand spikes, equipment failures. What's the next big, maybe unexpected disruption AI will need to master to keep global supply chains running smoothly? Something we aren't even thinking about yet.
That's the multi-billion-dollar question, isn't it?
Something to ponder until our next deep dive.